Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm not going to show you this makeup right here. No. I'm going to show you 6 cute and easy hairstyle which one you can create in less than 5 minutes. If you think like that, then continue watching. As you can see, my hairs are super oily and very sticky. So before making any hairstyle, I'm going to spray my dry shampoo onto my scalp directly, and I'm making sure this dry shampoo spray is 1 inch further than from my hair scalp. I'm taking the sections and applying all over my hairs. I'm using my fingers to spread. Here is the shampoo, which is Nuck Hair Dry Shampoo. Just spreading it all over with my fingertips so that it spread everywhere and it will give you that texture which one I want. So after, I'm going to untangle my hairs with the comb. So for the hairstyle number 1, I had like a side partition, which one I'm going to do it right now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm taking the inch section of hair and I'm going to twist around to my hairs and taking it back. And now I'm going to secure this section with the bobby pin. Just a simple bobby pin. I'm going to secure it, and then now I'm going to take one more section from the same side. I'm just going to twist around again and I'm gonna take it back just right there where I put the first section in, and again secure it with the bobby pin, just so, and make sure it won't come out. Maybe use 2 or 3 bobby pins if you have heavy hairs, and it will look like that. And rest of the hairs I'm going to just smoothing out, and here is the hairstyle one done. It will look like just like that. It is so cute and very simple and easy to do that. Only 2 minutes hairstyle. So moving on to the hairstyle number 2, what I'm going to do is I'm just taking a flicks at the front side to make it look more cuter, and then I'm gonna take ear to ear hairs at the back, and I'm just going to smoothing out first. I'm just taking that much hairs, and then I'm going to secure those hairs with the rubber band. You can use any rubber band. I just have these colored rubber bands, so I'm going to secure it with the rubber band, and then I'm going to take the whole hairs, making a hole inside, and then I'm just going to take whole hairs inside just like so, just like that, and it will look like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take 2 inch section again, and I'm going to repeat the process, taking the rubber band and secure it with that, and I will make a hole inside, and then I'm just gonna take those hairs inside whatever I have done with the first hairs. So I'm going to repeat the process one more time. I'm going to secure it with the rubber band and make a hole inside and take the whole hairs like that, and this is how it will look like. You can continue this one till the end, but I just like 3 or 4 times, and then I just like to lose my hairs, and it will look so cute and super easy too, even no more than 2 minutes. And for the hairstyle number 3, what I'm going to do is I'm taking all my hairs at the back, and I'm going to secure my crown area hairs with the any pin, any clutcher or whatever you have. I'm going to secure it with the clip, and then I'm going to take those hairs which one is behind my ears, like that much. It is almost 3 inch section from both sides. Just going to smoothing out those 2 sections from both sides and keeping the rest of the hairs at the back. Now I'm going to make a simple braid with those in 3 inch section. I'm just going to make a simple braid, and I'm gonna secure it with the rubber band at the end. I'm gonna do it till the end. Once the braid is done, I'm just going to pull the braid a little bit so that it will look like it is a volume braid. I don't have that much thick hairs, but I just like to do this trick. It will give you a thicker look. Now I'm going to do the same process at the other side. I'm just making a normal braid and I'm gonna secure it with the rubber band at the end. Here I'm going to pull the braid again just to give a thicker look. Now I'm going to take that clip out and I'm going to smoothen out those hairs just using the comb. You can use any brush. And then I'm just going to take one side braid to the other ear, end of the ear, and I'm gonna put it like that, and I'm gonna secure it with the bobby pin. You can use 2 or 3 bobby pins, it depends on your hair texture. My hairs are very thin hairs, so I'm just gonna use 1 bobby pin and it's all done. So I'm gonna take other braid to the other ear and I'm gonna take it like that, and I'm gonna secure it the back of my ear, and this is the hairstyle number 3 done. You can use your comb to smoothing out, and you can make a little puff at the front side, and this is how it will look like. This is so cute too and very easy as well. I really like it. This hairstyle is super easy, simple, and even less than 2 minutes hairstyle. I really love it. So moving on to the next hairstyle, I'm just gonna take a partition wherever you have. If you have a middle partition, this hairstyle look even more cuter. I am having a side partition. What I'm going to do is I'm taking a 3 section, just like a simple braid. I'm going to make a simple braid, but I'm just going to add a little small section at the front from every time. Just going to add it just like that, and I'm going to make a simple braid, adding a section and then making a braid, adding a section and then making a simple normal braid. Once your front sections are finished, you just make a normal braid till the end and then secure it with a rubber band, and it will look like that. And now repeat the same process at the other side. Take a 3 sections like a normal braid sections. I'm gonna add 1 section from the front just like that and making a normal braid, and I'm gonna continue adding that section until the section will finish from the front side, and after I'm gonna continue with the normal braid, and that's it. And now I'm gonna continue the normal braid, and I will secure it with the rubber band again. Now I'm taking both those braids at the back and I'm going to secure it with the bobby pin. Just gonna take the bobby pin and I'm gonna secure it, or you can overlap those braids, it's just up to you, and you can leave it like that too. And that's it, and this is how it will look like. Look at the back side, you just comb it out just to smoothing the hairs just like that, and how pretty it looks. I really like this hairstyle too. If you have middle partition, this hairstyle is just a bomb hairstyle. Really love it. And for the hairstyle number 5, I'm just taking ear to ear section and taking my crown area hairs just getting it together, and I'm gonna secure it with the rubber band. Before securing with the rubber band, you need to make sure you are smoothing out the hairs, and then taking all the hairs at the back, actually on the crown area, and secure it with the rubber band just like that, and you're done. See how cute this one looks. This is so pretty as well, and you can smooth out all the hairs, and this hair is done. For the next hairstyle, I'm just going to continue this hairstyle, and I'm gonna make a bun onto my crown section, and just like that I'm going to secure it with the pin. And your next hairstyle number 6, is done too, and it will look like that. This is super pretty as well. I just love this one. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, then please let me know which one is your favorite hairstyle from all of them, and please let me know in the comment section below. If you like it, then please keep continuing supporting me. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.